Well, good morning. I'm Jaginder Rana. The topic of the day is zero depreciation car insurance. Zero depreciation car insurance. Let us consider a case. A man buys comprehensive car insurance, feeling sure about the coverage in case of any accident. So after 2 weeks, his car breaks down and he contacts the insurance company. The company arrives and checks all the mechanism of the car and considers some factors that the man was not aware of. So in the end, the company reimbursed 70% of the repair cost and explained to me that they always take into account depreciation factors. Now this man was angry, but soon realized that he had not done his research before buying car insurance. When car depreciates, it affects claim settlement according to the policy of your car insurance. Many people think that their comprehensive insurance would cover all their expenses, but that is simply not true. Therefore, it is important to understand what is zero depreciation car insurance policy to protect yourself from the extra expenses of your car. So the zero depreciation car insurance means zero dep car insurance provides extensive coverage without taking into account depreciation factors. This means in case of car damage, the insurance company will cover the full cost. One needs to grasp that what is zero depreciation car insurance in order to choose the most suitable policy according to their needs. So zero dep car insurance costs more as it has more benefits. It offers full coverage without considering depreciation factors, which is quite useful. So car insurance companies provide a limitation to the amount of car insurance claims one can make per year. So zero dep car insurance is available only for new cars. From a customer's perspective, it is also not very cost efficient to pay such high premiums on a car which is more than 5 years old. So it is an absolute must to understand what is zero depreciation car insurance in terms of what services it offers. In most cases, it will give you 100% coverage for all fiber, rubber, and metal components without depreciation. So zero dep car insurance limits the number of claims that a customer can make per year. It is essential as people would then file claims for every little issue with their car, like small dents and scratches, because they would not want to pay for those costs. Now, many insurance companies do not cover engine damage due to water ingression or oil leaks. Any additional accessories fitted in the car, mechanical issues and oil change or are also not covered in many policies. So few insurance companies don't provide reimbursement for tires and batteries also. It is quite evident that zero dep car insurance has the benefit over comprehensive coverage as it gives additional advantages. It also costs more generally in the case of most insurance companies. A zero dep car insurance coverage premium costs more than a comprehensive insurance policy, but it is worth spending this extra money. Now see, you will have to pay a relatively high premium to be sure about not paying extra during the claim settlement process in the future. So in a way, you are already paying towards that expenditure in the coming years. There's a good chance that many people looking for affordable car insurance may not choose this option. If you are buying a new car, zero depreciation car insurance is a beneficial investment to protect from damage and theft. Many believes that zero depreciation car insurance works mainly for new drivers because they are more likely to damage their car in some ways. But we all know that even the best and most careful driving can be involved in accidents. So one can trust their own driving skills but not of others on the road. That is the reason why zero depreciation car insurance is a convenient choice for almost all new car owners. There are other reasons to buy zero depreciation car insurance. Buying zero depreciation car insurance also makes sense if you own a new high-end luxury car. Each part of luxury cars is quite costly and exclusively designed. So it is highly recommended to buy zero depreciation car insurance if you plan to buy an expensive luxury car. It also makes sense to buy zero depreciation car insurance if you have bought or about to buy a new car but are also learning to drive. So zero depreciation car insurance is highly suggested to beginner drivers. So for people who live in accident-prone area, zero depreciation car insurance is a must-have. It is an essential choice for a place with difficult roads and weather. So zero depreciation car insurance is a great choice for new car owners. Do not delay any further and get in touch with your insurance company to get zero debt car insurance policy. Because this is an add-on cover that makes the insurance companies settle the claim amount without taking the depreciation into account on various parts of the car, which enhances the claim amount of the policyholder. So it can be availed for a limited number of times in a policy terms of the insurance policy. Like every other commodity, your car is also subject to depreciation, that is, the devaluation with time due to wear and tear. So the onus of bearing the depreciation liability originally rests with the car owner and not the insurance provider. Thus, at the time of a claim settlement, the amount of depreciation applicable in your car and its parts get deducted from the compensation amount, thereby reducing it. So this is where the zero depreciation add-on cover comes in handy. So zero dep car insurance or zero depreciation add-on cover, also known as the nil depreciation and bumper to bumper cover, is a popular car insurance add-on cover which is most commonly opted by car owners along with their comprehensive car insurance policy. So it shifts the liability of bearing the depreciation of your car and its parts from you to insurance company against a nominal premium. Sometimes even a single claim helps you recover the entire zero depreciation, covers the premium amount. So zero depreciation add-on cover covers all parts of your car at 100% except tires, tubes and batteries, which are covered at 50%. So generally, insurers allow to zero depreciation claims during the policy tenure, 2 zero depreciation claims. However, there are some insurers like Eco Tokyo who allow you to make an unlimited number of zero depreciation claims during the tenure of your car insurance policy. So new car owners who have purchased a new car should opt for this cover as depreciation starts since the car is sold. Hence, if a new car gets damaged, one might not get a good amount of claim without this add-on cover. If you own a luxury car and it gets hurt due to an accident, it creates that you will have to spend a huge amount on its repair. Hence, a complete amount of claim can only help you to get your car repaired easily. People who reside in accident-prone areas are more likely to get indulged in accidents. Therefore, in order to receive a relevant amount of claim to get their cars repaired, they should pick the zero depreciation cover. Now, people who just begin to drive a car or a new driver could take a little more time to become an expert and are more likely to get involved in a collision, and this add-on cover is a must for some people. Since accident can bring any amount of damages, and it may not be easy for even old car owners to bear the cost of repair. Hence, if your car is eligible to be covered with the zero depreciation plan, you should opt for it. So the benefits of zero depreciation car insurance cover are plenty. Because a zero depreciation add-on cover is not just beneficial for amateur drivers but also for experienced drivers. It offers additional protection to the policyholders from financial crisis arising due to damages or losses to the car in an accident or mishap. Also, this cover reduces the expenses of policyholders to almost zero. Cost arising out of replacement or repair of cars insured parts are resolved without taking into account the depreciated value. Now, expenses arising out of pocket are limited as the cost of depreciation is not considered while going for claim settlement. So, with the zero depreciation cover, the premium amount becomes higher. However, in case of a mishap, the claim amount will not take into account the depreciation of the car, hence giving you a higher compensation. So, this compensation amount is usually much higher than the premium paid for the add-on. And the limit of the claim you can receive is determined by the policy's IDB. So this is directly affected by the depreciation date. Hence, with the zero depreciation add-on cover, you can make claims that do not take into account the depreciation date of the car and receives a higher claim amount. So the car insurance provides a layer of protection for the car owner and the car by compensating for losses and peace of mind. So this is further strengthened by a zero depreciation add-on cover as it negated the depreciation date of the car. So basically, if you see the premium on comprehensive car insurance policy, the low premium amount is there, but in zero depreciation a little higher is there. As far as claim settlement amount is concerned, low claim settlement amount will be there on the comprehensive policy. But in zero depreciation car, the higher claim settlement amount will be there because since estimation of depreciation is not done. Car parts repairs means 50% depreciation is considered on all repairing parts and comprehensive policy, but in zero depreciation and add-on insurance provides cover for all repairing cost without deduction. As far as car age is concerned, the depreciation of the car increases with the passing age of the car in comprehensive or package policy. But in a zero depreciation car insurance cover, due to the add-on of zero depreciation, the depreciation will be considered as nil. That will be considered as nil. So as far as zero depreciation car insurance premium is concerned, it is determined on the basis of the age and model of your car significantly impact the premium. So newer and high-end models usually have higher premiums due to the higher cost of their parts and repairs. Different insurance providers have different methods of calculating premiums. It is advisable to compare quotes from various insurers to get a good deal. Your geographical location plays a part too, because areas prone to accident or thefts might have higher premiums. The claim history can also be influenced by the premium, because a clean claim history may lead to a lower premium. If you opt for additional coverages along with the zero depreciation cover, the premium will increase accordingly. Some insurers increase the premium if you opt for zero depreciation cover consecutively in policy renewals. The IDB of your car is the maximum amount you can claim under the policy. So higher IDB can lead to a higher premium. The terms and conditions of the policy, including the coverage, exclusions and add-ons, also plays a part in determining the premium. Cars with higher engine capacity may have higher premiums as the repair cost of such vehicles are usually higher. So understanding these factors will help you get a clear picture of how your zero depreciation car insurance premium is calculated. Purchasing a zero depreciation car insurance is a wise decision as it ensures a higher claim amount in case of damages. So here is a systematic guide on how to buy this insurance. So before you buy, understand what zero depreciation car insurance entails. It provides comprehensive coverage without accounting for depreciation, ensuring you get a higher claim amount. If at any point you find the process confusing, consult with an insurance advisor. Because renewing zero depreciation car insurance is crucial to ensure continuous coverage and peace of mind while on the road. So before renewal, review your current policy to understand the coverage benefits and any exclusion. Assess if the policy still meets your needs or if you require additional coverage. Usually insurance companies send out renewal reminders via email or SMS. Keep an eye out of these reminders, which may also continue or contain instructions for renewals. So update any changed information such as address, contact number or any other relevant details. It is important to keep your information current to avoid any issues during a claim. So in most cases, the zero depreciation cover costs approximately 15% of the insurance premium, though it may seem like a steep price for add-on covers. It is worth the cost as the compensation amount will prove to be significantly higher than the premium. So a zero depreciation insurance calculator can help you estimate the cost of zero dep cover. So zero depreciation car insurance means you get more money if your car gets damaged. You might pay a bit more at the start, but if something happens to your car, it is totally worth it. So think of it as a safety net for your pocket if you don't want any nasty surprises after a bump or a scratch. This is the way to go. Thank you. Thank you.